Hi everyone, I going to show you how to cook this noodle. By seeing the instruction on the label, I found it's not really clear to me and maybe some other as well. This product has no English writing, it's just Thai, and some people could not read Thai. But anyway, it's easy anyways. Yeah, open it. I just wrap the plastic out and open it. It has a silver soap and a plastic spoon. This ingredients, and this is a noodle package. Sorry, just one hand. Yeah, it's in here. I recognize this one. I could not read Thai, but this one is hitting back. Yeah, so just see it out. It's hitting back, and inside the hitting back, inside the aluminum bag, it has a heating bag here. Put in here. Water, but you can use the bottle of water, drinking water, to pull into the heating bag instead of boiling the water. I just put it a little bit. Do not put too much, otherwise when it boil it up, it will boil up to this one. So just put like not much, like just this. Okay. Here is one. You can just put into here. Into here. Yeah. Like that. And this water is boiling, and yeah, then you just pour water in. You can pour it up to the just like that, just not too much, just like that, or up to the top level of the noodle. And then this one you can put after the noodle is completely boiled, or you can put now or later. To me it doesn't matter. The ingredient will be mixed well, and you can serve it. But now I decide to put it now. Decide to put it now. Yeah. This kind of noodle a little bit spicy, not as hot as some other Thai product. So I'm going to do this. Then you just cover it. To mix it a little bit to be ready to eat. You can see some steam, right? Mix it a little bit. It's still not soft yet. But, yeah. It's easy, like you save time, that you are working in the office or you are busy with something else, and you just take it and 1 bottle of water, and then you can cook it and eat it and save time to continue doing your work. Some people prefer to take the cup inside out without getting more heat, but some people prefer to eat like that because it's still warming up the noodle, and to me I would eat like that as well. I keep it because it can keep the noodle hot. Sorry. Yeah, like this. Before you put underneath, and yeah, you need to eat it. Try a little bit. This could be some jellyfish, I think. Jellyfish? No, not jellyfish. Jellyfish. We prefer to use fork. Pretty good. This tastes like curry. It tastes curry and a bit sour, like a lemongrass and lemon, I think. I'm not sure. Otherwise, I could not retain the flavor. Might have written on the level that we can eat. That's what we type before, or someone who could retire. This is an original one. It has a barcode. Actually, barcode, sorry. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you can do it.